Today I'm going to show you how to make raspberry and white chocolate muffins. You will need 200 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of caster sugar, 1 egg, 150 millilitres of milk, 70 millilitres of vegetable oil, 150 grams of raspberry, I used frozen but you can use fresh, and 100 grams of white chocolate. I have used white chocolate, which I will shortly chop up, however you can use chocolate chips if you prefer. So firstly, I'm just going to chop up my white chocolate into chunks. Then in a separate jug, to your milk add your egg and your oil, and give this a mix until well combined. Then in a separate bowl, to your flour add your caster sugar, and again mix really well until well combined. Then add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients, and give this a mix until you have a nice batter formed. Then add your raspberries and your white chocolate chunks, and give this a mix until everything is well distributed. Then to a pre-lined cupcake tray with cupcake cases, you simply want to pop your batter into each cupcake case. And bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan assisted for 20 minutes, or until a skewer comes out clean. And there you have it. That's how you make raspberry and white chocolate muffins.